Okay, the question is find the encrypted string, which is an easy. You are given a string S and an integer K. Encrypt the string using the following algorithm. Okay. For each character in string C, you have to replace it with the kth character after C in the string. Okay. So you have to return the encrypted string. I think what can you do is okay, we can initialize a new string. Okay. Okay, we can loop it. Range of len of S. Next character, which we have to replace it with, would be, I think, C plus K. And we have to module with the length because it's cyclic. Okay. It's cyclic. So new string, we can concatenate the newer character, which would be S and next character. Okay. After that, we can simply return it. Let's try, bro. Accepted. Easy.